And the last and very important news report today, for over 20 years Bengal has been looted. For over 20 years, one of the biggest natural reserves of Bengal, coal, has been looted. Thousands of crores of rupees have been put in the pockets of a ring of politicians, police officers, bureaucrats and coal mafia. For 20 years this big loot was unreported in detail by the media in Bengal. Now for the first time the loot of Bengal was exposed on Bengal's #1 news channel, Republic Bangla. Here's parts of the sting operation and then we debate.
It's the biggest story that has never been told.
बीजेपी एक क्या है, वॉशिंग मशीन है। काला चोर जाता है और वॉशिंग मशीन में सफेद होके चला आता है। यही बीजेपी का पार्टी का काम है।
মানুষ দেখছে তো কাকে অভিযোগ দাঁড় হয়, দেখুন পুলিশ দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। ওই পুলিশ!
Every political party in Bengal talks about the coal scam, but the media never investigates it. And this suits the politicians as well.
2011 থেকে 16 পর্যন্ত এই সময় অবৈধ কয়লা রাজ কিন্তু সরকার হাতে নিয়েছে এবং আমরা দেখতে পেলাম 2016 পর থেকে ঠিক বামফ্রন্টের কায়দাতে প্রকাশ্যে কিন্তু রাষ্ট্রীয় সম্পত্তির লুট চুরি হতে শুরু করে, যার নাম এখন চারিদিকে ছড়িয়ে বেড়াচ্ছে। লালা থেকে আরম্ভ করে, শুধু লালা নয়, এর সাথে রাজনৈতিক পলিটিক্যাল বড় বড় নেতা মাথারা আছে।
Vipul is one of the kingpins of the Bengal coal scam. He runs the business for top politicians who collect hundreds of crores every month. These are pictures of a sting we have carried out in a Siliguri hotel. But in order to get him to reveal the truth, we posed as agents of a big businessman from Bangladesh.
মানে আপনারা সামলান কি করে?
আছে এখানে লোক তো আমি সামলাচ্ছি না।
আচ্ছা,
অন্য লোক আছে। পুলিশের ঝামেলা এখানে, মানে বেঙ্গল পুলিশ ঝামেলা করে মানে কি, ওরা 413, 417, 418 এসব কেসগুলো দেয়। ঠিক আছে, মানে হ্যাবিচুয়াল ওয়ার্ক, মানে ক্যারিং অফ থেফট আর্টিকেলস, এরকম কেসগুলো দেয়, দিয়ে হ্যারাস করে।
This is Vinay Mishra. Nobody knows where he is. Is he missing? Is he in Dubai? Where is he? Nobody knows. It's important to know that Vipul is the middleman for Vinay Mishra and is managing the coal mafia through a deep network of police officers. Next morning, Vipul is ready to talk business. Listen to this part of the sting and three things become clear. One, that there is a super mafia boss who he mysteriously calls Dada. Second, the local police are deeply involved. And third, that there is a close connection between the coal mafia and the cattle smugglers.
দেখো, আমি যতক্ষণ আমি দাদার সঙ্গে বসছি, আমি ততক্ষণ কোনো ভ্যারিফিকেশন ফাইনালাইজ করতে পারবো না। ওনাকে কত দিতে হবে? দাদা যা বলবে যে এখানে এরকম দাও, না আছে, আমার দাদা আছে, আমার দাদা তুমি চেপে যাচ্ছ আমার কাছ থেকে, ভালো কথা না। সেটা তো তার কথা বলে লাভ নেই। সে বললেও তুমি তাকে মানে পৌঁছাবে না।
আমার পৌঁছানোর দরকার নেই, কিন্তু আমি যখন ট্রান্সপারেন্সি তোমার সাথে কথা বলছি, আমি এক্সপেক্ট করি।
আমি তো কালকেও বলেছি যে আমার উপর আর একজন আছে।
তুমি আমাকে নামটা ক্লিয়ার করলে না। আমি
নামটা ক্লিয়ার করার দরকার কি আছে? তোমার তো কাজই নেই কথা। যখন হবে আমি বসাবো, তখন বুঝি
তার সাথে তুমি বসাবে।
হ্যাঁ, তো তার সঙ্গে আমার সবানো কি আছে? এইবার ওখানে ও যে দেখবে, এই থেকে তো 30-35 হাজার টাকা কেটে বেচে হচ্ছে 2.5 লাখ টাকা করে। যে আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস বাংলাদেশে, ইয়েস,
এখানে কত করে নেয়?
30, 35, 50
লাখ, হাজার। আর ওখানে দেখবি
2.5 লাখ টাকা। ইন্ডিয়ান টাকাতে 2.5 লাখ টাকা।
ইন্ডিয়ান কারেন্সি করে,
ইন্ডিয়ান কারেন্সিতে 2.5 লাখ টাকা পার পেয়ার বুঝি।
By now, our teams have spread across the coal mining districts of Bengal. The mafia operates freely here. Meanwhile, in Siliguri, Vipul is getting excited about cutting a big deal with us. He starts taking me through the nitty-gritties of the smuggling process.
এটার জন্য ওইটার জন্য একদম চার্জেসটা ধরা আছে। তুমি ভালো করে শুনে নাও, তোমাকে দেওয়া রিপোর্ট করতে হবে।
এবার আমরা যতদূর বলো আর এখানে কিন্তু নো কারেন্ট সিস্টেম, কোনো ক্রেডিট নেই।
যাবে কাজ
মানে তোমাদের মাল আসার আগে তোমাদের অ্যাকাউন্টে পেমেন্ট দিয়ে দিতে হবে, ওখানে ড্রপ করে দেবে মানে তখন তোমার অ্যাকাউন্টে কি দেওয়া হয় না, এটা ক্যাশ
না না
না না আমরা যেভাবে বলেছি একটা থাকবে যেটা জিএসটি মানে যাবে, জিএসটিতে তো অরিজিনাল মানে 6 টাকা রেটে যাবে চালানটা হবে, ওই রেট ওই পয়সাটা ওটা পাক্কাতে ডাইরেক্ট অ্যাকাউন্টে আসবে কোম্পানি থেকে, যে ফর্মে ফর্মটা মাল যাবে ডাইরেক্ট অ্যাকাউন্টে আসবে।
গাড়ি ভাড়া তো আপনার কাছাতে দিতে হবে,
আমি যেটা বলছি
80 টাকা তো আপনাকে কাছে দিতে হবে অ্যাকাউন্টে।
6 টাকা রেটে পাঠাবো কি মানে 6 টাকা কেজি মানে এই করে পাঠাবো,
বিল করে
পাঠাবো। আর এমনি যদি বলবেন কি মানে না আমার সব 15 টাকা লাগে 17 টাকা রেট করে জিএসটি কাটেন, তাহলে অনেক পয়সা লেগে যাবে।
The key link between Vinay Mishra and Inamul is Vipul. All these three are connected to some politicians. Republic Bangla is the only channel which is investigating this very deeply. We have reports that Vinay has visited Dubai, South Africa or Bangladesh after leaving India on the 7th of January. There are also reports that his life is under threat because he has information on some big politicians. In part 2, members of the mafia expose the mafia. A Republic Bangla investigation.
Riju Datta joining the panel with Priyanka right now, and Guru and Manojit are on. Your Trinamool Congress Youth Committee General Secretary key accused in the coal smuggling scam, Binoy Mishra, suddenly disappears and goes to Dubai on 7th of January, right ahead of the elections. The FIR is filed on 26th or 27th of November. Within 5 weeks, he packs up, goes to Dubai, and then he's nowhere to be found. Now his link man is caught on tape by Republic Bangla. Can you tell me, where is Binoy Mishra? Where is Binoy Mishra? Tell Priyanka, please.
Firstly,
where is Binoy Mishra?
Firstly, if the CBI has issued a writ notice against him, let me know when I can answer, Anna, please.
Where is Binoy? He's your party top leader. Top leader of your party has suddenly gone missing. Why?
Can I answer? Can I answer now, please?
Yeah, please.
Yes. So, like I was saying,
do you want more time to prepare?
No. He is probed by the CBI. There is some lag in the thing. He is probed by the CBI. CBI has issued a red notice against him. He is vanished into thin air. If the CBI does not know, do you think I am more effective than CBI? How will I know where Vinay Mishra is?
He's vanished into thin air.
Apparently.
Okay, so this is a brilliant statement.
No, but
Priyanka, he says our party's top leader accused in the coal scam has vanished into thin air.
Apparently, that is what the CBI is saying, right? They cannot find him. So if the CBI can't find him, am I more effective than CBI then?
No, but he's your party leader. Where is he?
He was.
Where is he?
How are we supposed to know? If he was a part of the party. He was a part.
Why are you talking about him in past tense? I hope he's alive.
No.
What do you mean he was? You're writing him off.
No, I am saying.
No, what are you saying?
Spin my words. Don't spin my words.
What are you saying?
I'm saying he was a part of the party, but after the CBI started investigating him.
This is getting more mysterious than this whole Then this whole Sachin Waze Antilia case, he was, he said.
Don't need,
He
no
was.
definitely
Okay, okay, one more thing, one more thing. One more thing, one more thing, one more thing, one more thing.
suspecting that there's a threat to his life. And Riju already
Of course,
said
he
was.
knows everything. Yes. Was. Talking. Okay, tell me one more thing, Riju, and tell Guru. There's another of your party people apparently. His name is Anup Majhi. Anup Majhi.
Anup Majhi was
Also
never
very connected to your party, right?
He was never remotely related to Trinamool Congress. Let me make it very clear. He is never remotely even related to Trinamool Congress. But when we are talking about Vinay Mishra and Anup Majhi and all,
No, but he is the. But tell me just, okay, I take that point. 1 second. 1 second. No, Riju, answer my question today very pointedly. Guru is on the program. Okay, even if I say not remotely, but distantly related to people and new people in your party, don't deny that. This man also, Guru, who knows, if anybody knows, if 1 minute, Riju, why don't you let me complete my point? You see, politicians, bureaucrats and policemen are managing this coal mafia. There are two people who know everything. One is Binoy Mishra, whose right-hand man we caught in the sting operation. The other is Anup Majhi. Now, Guru, Anup Majhi has also gone missing. Just disappeared. It's getting very dangerous.
Vinay Mishra.
Very
Vinay
dangerous.
Mishra and I completely understand. Vinay Mishra and Anup Majhi are closely linked to Abhishek Banerjee. My friend Riju Datta cannot deny that. Why did the West Bengal police allow them to abscond? Why did the Riju, listen to me.
What is the relationship with
Riju, this is not a, this is your strategy. This is your strategy.
Do not take,
this is your,
no. Don't make
talk on the point,
accusations.
Riju.
Even the
Talk on the,
even
stop
the
beating
CBI
around the
has
bush.
no links.
Stop beating around the bush. You don't have any answer. You don't
What if I say your party
you don't have any answer. Riju, you can shout it out. You can shout it out. You can shout it out. You can shout it out, but the point is not that.
You need to prove.
The people of West Bengal, the people of West Bengal, Riju, the people of West, Riju,
Bengal's daughter and Mamata Banerjee.
Riju, listen to me. People of West Bengal deserve to know the truth.
You are saying
people of West Bengal deserve to know the truth, Riju.
That CBI is working for BJP. CBI is a lapdog of BJP. Do you know what the BJP
Bengal deserve to know the truth. You can shout, you can shout tonight. You can shout tonight. I can understand. I can understand. I sympathize with you. I sympathize with you, Riju. I sympathize with you, Riju. I completely sympathize with you. I completely sympathize with you. I know you want to waste the time. I know you want to waste the time deliberately. I know, Riju, I know you want to waste the time. You want to waste the time. You want to waste the time tonight. You want to waste the time tonight. You are doing it deliberately.
In July 2018.
Know that.
Riju.
Know that.
Yes.
You are deliberately wasting the time, Riju Datta. You are deliberately wasting the time tonight, Riju. You are deliberately wasting the time tonight. People of West Bengal. No. People of West Bengal. Riju. Riju, listen to me. People of
you are
again shouting. You are again shouting.
You should have proof before you take names. You don't take names unnecessarily.
You are not letting anyone speak, Riju.
Name XYZ name.
You are not letting anyone speak. You are not letting anyone speak. I completely sympathize with you, my friend. I completely sympathize with you, my friend. But please, please let other people speak.
I cannot.
Answer me one.
When you speak,
may I intervene to just...
Why are they going to his house?
No, but you can't heckle him to a point where you don't let him speak now, Riju. That's not right. Priyanka, 1 minute. I want to come in. Now, there's one thing. There's one point.
Yes.
Riju now, please. You see, the question is, I'll ask a more basic question. Allow me to articulate this question. Are we saying that there is no coal scam? Let's go to basics, okay? Now, can someone say like the coal scam is also a piece of fiction? Now, in July 2018, the irrigation department said that there was a landslide which took place in the irrigation canal adjacent to the Hinglo reservoir. Why was it? They said it is because of illegal coal mining. So, I'm giving you one fact. Can you say today there is no coal smuggling? There is no coal mafia in Bengal for the last 10 years when you have been in power? Can you say that?
Now my first question, my first thing.
Can you deny the coal scam?
out-
Can you continue
No,
to be in denial?
My straightforward answer to you, Anna,
The
is
biggest
there
loot
is a
of
coal
Ma
scam.
Bangla.
There is a coal scam that has been probed by CBI. Now my question is, coal mine is under ECL, which is a central government authority. It is protected by CISF, which is again central government.
Right.
Why the chairman of ECL and why the DG of CISF has not been...
All right,
notified
Mr.
by the
Datta, I'll answer you on
इनके
that.
घर से
Priyanka.
चोरी
Mr.
कैसे हो रहा है?
Datta, I have heard this 110 times. Now here is the answer. Have the patience to listen to the answer. So the answer to this is, you are saying it comes under ECL, CISF guards this, and number of times every day in the local newspapers, we read that illegal trucks of coal which are being smuggled are handed over by the CISF to the local police. And what does the local police
So
do?
the
They
CISF
just
is
give a case of
compromised,
cheating
Priyanka.
under section
By your
413,
word, by your
417.
word, CISF is
Because the
compromised.
police works
So
for
you
you.
should probe
Because
for
the
the
coal
CBI
which is being smuggled
No,
is
you
under
only
your
said Priyanka,
politicians.
you have yourself
See,
as a
Abhishek
probe.
Banerjee may be
You
your
only said
master,
CISF
but not
is
us.
compromised.
We will
So
take the
for
name of
CISF
Abhishek
to be
Banerjee
probed, Anna,
because we have
Priyanka
ample of
already done
evidences.
a public
The
law.
CBI has evidences.
Anna,
We
Priyanka
will
has
speak
made a
against
motion
Abhishek
right now.
Banerjee. He is your master, not
Why
ours.
is
Right?
so-
That
no,
is the
no,
reason
you-
CBI went to his
Priyanka, you
house.
have just
His wife
said
is involved.
CISF
His
says
wife
the
is
local
involved.
police smuggle
His
coal.
wife is
Rejo.
involved.
Why is
Abhishek
CISF
Banerjee's
not
wife is
probed?
involved.
Rejo.
That is why CBI is probing it. No, you
Why
can't.
is
You
CISF
can't
not
escape with
probed?
this
Riju's
excuse.
line has gone. Come
The
back.
police
He's back.
is hand in glove.
Okay,
with
Priyanka, let
politicians
Riju
like
respond to you.
That is why
I
Mishra
am
is
coming
missing
from a
today, because he
worldview
knows the name.
where I truly believe that the money that goes to the coal mafia. Now, 1 second, please. You know, these are thousands of crores. This should have been used for improving the state's disaster relief after Amphan. This money should have gone to improve the health infrastructure. This money should have gone into improving the West Bengal's malnutrition program. 50% of children under 5 years of age are anemic in Bengal. It has only decreased by 7% in the last 1 decade. The money should go into investment for the improvement of the people of Bengal. Now, please understand, the Calcutta High Court has refused to interfere in the CBI FIR. Okay? The CBI started the investigation. FIR is based on inspection by the Vigilance Department. You know, the only problem is, if there is a problem, I'll tell you what the problem is. The problem is the launch of Republic Bangla. Because Monojit, till now, you had a cozy relationship with the media here. And as there was Kunal Ghosh was on my program today, he smiled when I asked him the question. He's your party spokesman. He smiled. I said, your biggest problem is Republic Bangla, because till now this matter was, was it reported? Monojit, let me complete. Was it reported? Yes. How much? Just about. Page 2 of the newspaper, 30-second mention on the channel, don't create any trouble, play safe. Am I right, Monojit? You also know. The biggest story in Bengal was never reported in detail. Am I wrong?
Can I reply now?
Was this not unfair to the people of Bengal? Monojit, let's be fair.
Testimony of Bengal being a business hub is your channel, right? You have a channel launched in 60 days. That points toward the ease of doing business in Bengal. You are the biggest testimony of how we have stable law
Oh my
and
God.
order.
I have launched the channel in 60 days because of the hard work of my team.
You have been abusing
Because of the hard work of my team.
to our
Please.
death. You have been abusing us to our death, and yet
Come on. That's absolute rubbish. Absolute rubbish. What is abuse here? I'm reporting on the coal scam. What is the abuse here? Where is the abuse here? This is abuse. My reporting the coal scam is an abuse.
Remember the Reddy Barodar? 60,000
Okay, so reporting the coal scam is abuse.
Don't change the facts.
Come on now, come on.
And they are now with the BJP, even in Asansol, who controls politics in Asansol? It is
Priyanka,
the BJP
Priyanka.
and one of their MPs, Jitendra Singh, one of the biggest
That is what
mafias in
I'm saying.
Asansol.
His accent
Now
will not
is
change
with the
facts.
BJP.
People who are
Suvendu
hardworking with their
Adhikari,
hard work, this channel is
one
here.
of the
It is not because of
main
Mamata Banerjee.
intelligence.
If it
Now
was
with
so,
the
if the
BJP,
ease was so much,
I am
tell me
saying
another
there
industry
is a
which has
coal
come into West
mafia
Bengal.
in
Tell me one
Asansol
single factory
area,
which
and the
Mamata Banerjee
biggest
has
beneficiary
inaugurated
of that
in
is
10 years.
actually
Nothing.
the
That is the
Bharatiya
ease of
Janata
doing business in
Party,
West Bengal.
and they
So
are
speak the
fighting
truth
because
and be
of-
prepared
because of
to
their
appreciate
shares
people who do
between
hard work.
one
Now
MP
because Republic is
and
here,
one
you know very well
TMC
that the cat will be out of
Now
the
he has
box.
joined the
That is why
party.
you are
It's
scared.
all
That is why you are
happening
scared. So
within
anytime,
BJP.
see, this
It's
is the
all
fact. We will
about
take the name
the
of Abhishek
share of
Banerjee
gold
because he is your
scam
master. He is the master of
Kerala
Riju
is
Datta.
there.
But he is nothing
You know,
to
today
us.
we are being,
Facts
today
will
we
be
are being,
spoken. Tell me why
today let
CBI
me
goes
tell
to
you,
Abhishek Banerjee's house.
Riju, let me tell you today, we are being blessed by the people of Bengal everywhere. The kind of feedback I have received, the people of Bengal saying this is such an important, you did a sting operation, but why is Bengal's newest and #1 channel doing it? What were the others doing till now? I said, I don't know. I don't know.
See, Arnab, first of all, I want to congratulate you on Republic Bangla and your input head in Republic Bangla. Mayuk is my school friend. So all good, all the best wishes for Republic Bangla. But I also want to point out, you have to be neutral when you talk about the coal scam. These people like Dilip and others who are pro.
I don't need, no, one second. I don't need that lecture here. I believe the measure of neutrality is the reporting of the coal scam. Why is the reporting of the coal scam making you uneasy?
You don't have to be neutral.
I'm saying that you report, you investigate the coal scam, no issues. But also, like Priyanka said, the CISF is involved with the local police. So the CISF also needs to be probed. Now, that is what the BJP spokesperson has just said on your channel. So let the CISF be probed. Let the
I'm not saying don't. Priyanka and Guru.
Yes, but they are not.
Priyanka and Guru, how much time?
Letters are sent to our top leaders.
I'm not saying don't probe. Probe everyone.
Now,
Probe everyone. Probe everyone, but for God's sake, probe everyone.
Arnab knows his work. You don't need to teach him. But speak what you are here for. Speak. Tell me no, why CBI is at Abhishek Banerjee's house. You have an answer to that. Now who is Vinay Mishra? Who is Vinay Mishra from your party? Where is he? You don't know. You don't know about the whereabouts of somebody who is your party member. Now you say he was. When was? When he was? What did he do? He was under Mamata Banerjee's nose, collecting money for Abhishek Banerjee. That is what he was doing, right? That is what he was doing. Was he collecting money for Abhishek Banerjee? So how do you say we don't know he was? He was a close aide of Abhishek Banerjee. Where did he vanish? How did he vanish? And you are already saying he was. So we are under extreme doubt because we are already doubting that since he knows so many names, the red diary has the names. So you know that the names will come out. So I am really scared. I don't know whether we'll get to see Mr.
Guru is reporting. Guru.
I have a Riju,
Guru, the situation is serious.
Riju, listen to me, yaar. You have got the maximum. Riju, you have got the maximum footage in this debate, man. Come on. Riju, you have got the maximum time on this debate.
Guru, we have been in 100 debates.
I want to ask a simple question, bhai. I want to ask Exactly, man. Exactly. And I want to ask you a simple question tonight, my brother.
Yes.
Simple question. Forget about the CBI. Why did the West Bengal police allow Vinay Mishra and Lala to abscond? Point number one. Point number two, under the nose of West Bengal police, coal, which is the national wealth of our country, it was being looted. Why was the West Bengal police sitting silent on it? Answer me one simple question. You don't have any answer to it. Every time you bring someone else. And I'm happy that Arnabji... One second. Riju, don't heckle, yaar. Riju, don't heckle, yaar. Riju, let me complete. I don't heckle. Riju, you know that I don't heckle, yaar. See, in the Amphan scam, it was the government of West Bengal that has the audacity to go to the Calcutta High Court and request the CAG not to inquire. दाल में कुछ काला है, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. इतना तो भाई everyone knows that. People of West Bengal, they deserve to know the truth. People of West Bengal deserve to know the truth. Please answer me this question, Riju bhai.
So first question, you said West Bengal police. Now, do you know that there is a special CID task force which is investigating the coal scam on behalf of West Bengal police? That is number one, you don't know probably. Secondly, please do not make baseless accusations like West Bengal police has abated in Vinay Mishra absconding. If the CBI cannot find him, who is West Bengal police? Who is Riju Datta? Who is Trinamool Congress? It is supposed to be the premier institution of this country. Next, Amphan, I can give you a jawab on Amphan, but I want to stick to that topic pertaining to this debate. Because if I talk about Amphan, then I have to go back to Mr. Mumu again. So I don't want to go on that line. I will stick to the narrative of the debate.
No.
Let's not digress. I just hope this has a domino effect and the rest of the Bengal media, which did not do any investigative report on the coal scam, turns over a new leaf and tries to do that more and more in the future. I hope this is a domino effect. Viewers, that's all the time we have. 3 big debates. I hope you enjoyed the show, with a promise to be back tomorrow sharp at 9. Good night and goodbye.